Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Jun Gao, and I'm the Program Director of MSc Finance, Banking and Risk Management, and I'm delighted to introduce you to our program here at UCC. And today I will give you a clear picture of what this program is about and who is designed for, and also most importantly, how it can support your future career in finance. Okay, so let me begin with a simple question. When you think about a career in finance today, whether in banking, investment, or risk, what really makes graduates stand out? And I think it's no longer just strong academic results because employers are now looking for people who can work with data, understand markets, and also apply theory to real problems from day one. And that's exactly why this program was designed. This MSc is built for students who want to develop careers in banking, investment, and financial risk management. So it combines three key elements: practical experience, strong industry insight, and also advanced quantitative training. So who is this program for? First, it's ideal for students aiming for careers in banking, treasury, financial risk, investment research, or regulation. Second, it suits learners who enjoy work with like numbers, data, analytical tools, and who want hands-on quantitative finance skills, not just theory. And third, is for graduates who want a program with strong industry links and a clear focus on real-world application. So in short, this program is about bridging the gap between academic finance and professional practice. And some of the key highlights include like industry engaged learning, such as practitioner seminars, visiting speakers, and a live simulated investment portfolio. You also choose between two pathways: an applied dissertation or industry placement. And technically, the program offers advanced quantitative finance training using Python, using R, and this would be aligned with CFA levels 1 to 3. And we're also very proud to be a GARP partner for risk education. So this would offer 6 annual scholarships for the Farm Part 1 exam, and I will talk more about this shortly. So now let's look at where this preparation can actually take you. So our graduates progress into a broad range of industries and roles. Those would include like banking and capital markets, asset management and hedge funds, financial regulation and central banking, and risk and analytics divisions across many sectors. And we also see graduates moving into economic and financial consulting, fintech, and payments, and also corporate treasury departments. To illustrate this, here are just a few alumni examples. Like, firstly, myself, I also graduated from this program, but it was like 10 years ago. And also, Dr. Sheng Zhu is now a director of investment risk management at Principal Asset Management. And a recent example is Monica. She's an analyst at Accenture in Cork, and she describes the program as one that taught us about real events, not just theory. And we also have Edward, now a financial risk analyst at Wells Fargo in Dublin. And he used the strong quantitative foundation from the program to move into risk analytics. So these examples show the diversity of career paths the programs pose. And so this slide shows a sample of the organizations our graduates engage with through placement, through projects, and also through professional roles. They include some major financial institutions like AIB, Bank of Ireland, Citibank, JP Morgan, Bank of New York, as well as firms in consulting, funds, and also financial technology. And what's important here is the program's industry embeddedness. So we don't just talk about how these organizations operate, we, we design learning activities, we use cases, and we design assignments around the types of problems they actively face. Okay, and I think a central question for any student is like, what skills will I actually gain from the program? So on the technique side, sorry, can I ask, are the slides moving?
That should be the right slide up there now. Can you see it?
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Sorry. So on the technique side, you will develop expertise in like financial modeling and valuation, econometrics and time series analysis using some software packages like Python and R and also Stata, and risk measurement and management, derivatives pricing and treasury management, and portfolio construction and performance evaluation. And alongside this, we place strong emphasis on transferable professional skills. These would include professional report writing, data-driven problem solving, presentation and communication skills, and also teamwork and project management. So this combination ensures that graduates are not only technically capable, but also effective communicators and also effective problem solvers. And sorry. So in terms of structure, the program covers core areas such as finance, macroeconomics, quantitative finance, and we also have some modules in relation to research methods and professional skills. So here, learning is highly applied. Students work with real financial data, use industry standard software like Python, like R, like Stata, and students attend practitioner seminars. So we will invite like guest speakers every semester to give students practice sessions. And students would also take part in applied cases, attend workshops, and also uh, students will like work in group projects and give presentations. And a major feature of the program is the choice between two final pathways given here. So we have 3 semesters. In semester 1, you will have 6 modules. In semester 2, you will have another 6 modules. And in semester 3, in the summer, you will have 2 options. The industry placement option, this would allow students to gain real-world experience in banks, in asset managers, regulators, or other financial firms. And this is jointly supervised by industry and academic mentors. And the other option is applied dissertation. So the applied dissertation option suits students interested in research, analytics, or which would like to do some further study in academia. And this involves independent research using real data and quantitative methods. And we also offer students one-to-one academic supervision. So both pathways are designed to align closely with different career goals. Okay, so what truly distinguishes this MSc program is integrated focus on banking, finance, and risk management within a single program. And there is also strong quantitative data-driven emphasis with consistent use of Python and R across the program. And the program is deeply embedded in industry practice with regular input from professionals working in banking, investment, regulation, and consulting. And also a key highlight is our official partnership with GARP. So this would provide 6 annual scholarships for the Farm Part 1 exam. The firm is a globally recognized qualification in financial risk management. And finally, the program places explicitly emphasis on professional skills, including consulting style analysis, structured reporting, and also like presentation skills. So this all would ensure graduates are able to perform effectively from day one. Okay, so to conclude, this program is designed for students who want to develop strong quantitative skills, gain real industry exposure, and build clear competitive career pathways in finance. And if you'd like more information, you're very welcome to contact the program director team, including myself and Dr. Maeve Sherman. And alternatively, the COPS recruitment team will also be very happy to help with application queries and also next steps. And if you have any further questions, we have one
Yeah,
question here.
we do.
I
Um,
I have got a small question. Is the applied dissertation equal to an Euromaster thesis, or is it a second? Yeah, it's just it is a master's thesis. So basically, we have a research module to build your skills for this dissertation in semester 2. And in the research module, you will study how to like for example, how to write literature review, how to collect data, how to structure, how to design your dissertation. But this dissertation must be an empirical thesis. So you have to collect data, you have to use real world data to do empirical analysis. Uh, does this make sense? And are there any other questions?
John, just a question that we had earlier that I didn't get around to answering yet, but I suppose Hunke was wondering about, I suppose how many of our graduates actually go on to start their career in banking after their masters?
So actually, we have 100% of employment rate. So actually, every graduate could find a job in the relevant industries, like in banking, like in asset management or risk management.
Mm.
And
So it's
there,
incredibly high. So it's not like any of our graduates are sitting around looking for jobs. I feel like from what I know about the careers team and the relationships we have with companies that there's, companies knocking on our doors looking to hire our graduates.
yes, I think it's really hard because many students would find a job before the summer. And in this way, they will, take the industry placement option and in the summer. And after finishing the industry placement, they just continue their role in their companies, in their firms.
Mm.
And we also have another question. So what is eligibility criteria to get into this course? Uh, we would, so students, if you do not have any relevant work experience before, you have to get a 2H1. But if you have some work experience, strong work experience in financial services, in banking, and also in risk management, then a higher 2 is also fine.
Fantastic. So there is some wiggle room there. And for anybody that is from outside Ireland and the 2-1 doesn't make sense, there is if you even just search up UCC qualification comparison, you should be brought to a page that will allow you to select your country, and you can compare what that is. Again, though, I'm more than happy to answer any individual questions, so feel free to reach out to me and I can help convert that for you. Fabulous, Wangao. Thank you so much. And it's so interesting to see that you've made the transition from being a student into being the program director.
Yeah, thank you very much, Marie, and thank you, everyone. And if you have any further questions, please email me. Thank you.